YouTube channel. I am Omotola Michael once again, and you're welcome to this channel. In case you are just joining us, I give you tips on the technology world, on mostly on your operating system, Microsoft. Now, without much time, we are going to be talking about the most delectable software in the Microsoft environment, which is the PowerToys. Yes, the PowerToys. I know most of you or some of you might have heard of this, but this time around, I'm going to introduce you to the PowerToys as a whole. But first of all, how do you get the PowerToys? Now, we have various ways of installing the PowerToys, as you can see on this page. I'm going to drop the link of this page on the description below, and you can see how you can install your PowerToys. And first of all, you must be running a Windows 11 operating system or a Windows 10 version 2004 or newer, so that you can be able to use the PowerToys. So this is exclusively for the Windows 10 2004 version and Windows 11 of all version. If your computer is not on version Windows 10 or 11, please upgrade to that version so that you can enjoy the PowerToys. So there are various ways you can install the PowerToys. You can install it via GitHub, as you can see from this part. This is the link. It's here, or you can install via the Microsoft Store or via the Windows Package Manager, and so other many versions or ways of installing it. But today we are going to focus on installing on with the Microsoft Store. So can you see now what we just need to do for us to install with the Microsoft Store is by clicking this link. I will open this link here and it will take me to the Microsoft Store page where you can see the PowerToys, right? So once you get to this page, so you can see, you can just click on Get Install App and you can install it. Or alternatively, you can just follow this step by going to your Microsoft Store on the Start menu. By clicking on the Start menu, you can see Microsoft Store. Then you can open it. So in this case, it's already opened. So when you click on the Microsoft Store, the next thing you just need to do is to search for PowerToys. Yes, you just need to search for PowerToys. So when this page loads, I will just type on the search bar here, I will just type Microsoft PowerToys. So when I type that, you can see it gives me the first result here. You can see the icon. I just need to click on it and we are good to go. So you can see the page, Microsoft PowerToys, and the description and everything. So on this button here, you'd see install. But in this my case, Microsoft PowerToys is already installed, so I don't need to install it. But in case you have not installed it, just click on the install button here and it would download the Microsoft PowerToys package onto your computer. And once that is done, the next thing for you to do, it changes to open. You can click on open, or consequently you can just search for PowerToys. When you click on the Start menu, type PowerToys, and you can see that here. Can you see PowerToys have view? Click on it, then it opens the Microsoft PowerToys page. Yes, voila, you can see it opens the Microsoft PowerToys page. Here you can check for updates in case your version is outdated. You can see that the Microsoft PowerToys is a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline their Windows experience for greater productivity. So that is just it. You can check for updates here. You can choose to download updates automatically by turning this on or off. Yes. So if you check for updates, it searches for updates. You can see in this case, my PowerToys is up to date. In case it's not up to date, it tries to search for it. You can also choose to run Microsoft PowerToys as an administrator. So in this case, we can switch it on or off, but I'm already running as an administrator, so I don't need to switch it off. Then you can choose your theme, whether either the dark theme or the light theme or the Windows default. If your theme on the Windows is either light or dark, it goes automatically with your Windows theme. So if I click on the light theme, you can see it changes to the light theme. If I click on the dark theme, it changes to the dark theme. And if I click on the Windows default, it matches the default theme that I'm using. In my case, it's a dark theme. You can also choose to run at startup by turning off or on this button. If you turn it on, anytime you switch on your computer, it turns it on. So you can also choose to back or restore your settings of PowerToys depending on the features that you're using. If you back up your settings, it will take all the settings that you have used and back it up in case you want to use it on another computer, or in case you just reinstalled Windows on your computer, right, and you want to restore. You can see if your settings were no longer there, by the time you come back here and restore, it will automatically restore it, and you can choose to use experimental features by turning this on or off. So just as you can see, the Microsoft PowerToys are being developed by a group of developers. You can see they have their GitHub repository where if you're a developer, once you click on it, you can choose to check, how they made the coding for this. You can see the language here is basically on C# and C++, with a little bit of PowerShell and C, JavaScript and HTML. So in case you're a developer and you want to add more features on the Microsoft PowerToys, you can do that here. So without much time, you can see that the PowerToys has a lot of features in which if you use them, you will be able to get more productivity on your computer. You can see they always on top, awake, color picker, and a good twist to this is that it's been arranged alphabetically. Can you see? A, A, C, F, it's arranged alphabetically. And I will take you on how to use these features to enhance productivity in the next video. So thank you very much for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.